In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscriptions to your Wix site. If you're looking to offer your customers a seamless subscription experience on your website, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in and get started on this exciting journey to enhancing your site's functionality. To begin with, head over to your Wix editor. Once you're there, you'll notice an option on the left-hand side of the screen called Add Apps. Click on that, and it will take you directly to the Wix App Market. This is a fantastic resource full of various apps and tools that can be integrated into your site to enhance its capabilities. Now, in the App Market, you'll want to search for Wix Pricing Plans. This app is essential for our objective today, as it will allow you to create and manage subscription plans with ease. Once you find it, add it to your site. This usually takes just a few moments. Once the app is successfully added, you'll see it appear in your site's dashboard. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, select Manage Plans. This is where the magic really begins. You'll follow the guided steps provided by Wix to start creating your unique subscription offerings. Creating subscription plans on Wix is a straightforward process thanks to their intuitive interface. The first step will typically involve setting the basic details of your subscription plan. Think about the name of the plan, its pricing, and any specific features or services it will include. Be sure this is clearly outlined, as it will be what your customers see when browsing their options. As you continue, you'll encounter options to determine the billing cycle, whether it's weekly, monthly, or annually. Consider what fits best with your business model and what would be most appealing to your audience. Perhaps offer a discount for customers who pay annually to encourage longer-term sign-ups. Next, ensure you provide a descriptive and engaging overview for each subscription tier you offer. This is crucial for communicating the value and benefits of each plan to potential subscribers. Highlight any exclusive content, discounts, or special access that come with each plan. Remember, clarity and appeal are key. Lastly, before launching your subscription plans, take a moment to review all the details. Double-check for accuracy to ensure everything is in place as you intended. Once satisfied, you can hit publish and watch as your site transforms into a hub of opportunity for recurring interactions with your customers. Congratulations on adding subscriptions to your Wix site. By following these steps, you've taken an essential step toward building stronger customer relationships and generating a steady revenue stream. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy Wixing!